Everyone, a lot of you have been asking me about DSE role, wondering what happens if we don't get qualified in SP interview, and now that SE role applications are also open, I gathered some important information just for you. In this video, I'll share the complete selection process for Infosys SE and DSE roles, plus real interview experiences from my friends who recently went through it, and what they faced, how they prepared, what questions did they get, and also some useful tips. And if you're applying for SP role, don't forget to check out my recent video where I shared my own experience and provided the questions asked to 4 other candidates as well. So if you are aiming for SE or DSE, stay tuned till the end. Here's the Infosys role written test pattern. You will have mathematical ability, analytical reasoning, verbal ability, pseudo code, puzzle solving, and the total time will be around 100 minutes. In SE role exam, solving 2 to 3 pseudocode questions correctly is very important to get qualified. After passing the test, you'll have SE role interview, and the questions asked in this interview are mostly theory based questions. Example, explain about your projects, what is OOPS, what are operators in Java and Python, what is your goal, where do you see yourself in next 5 years, why should we hire you. Be clear, confident, and explain your projects well. They focus more on your basics and clarity rather than tricky questions. Coming to DSE, one of my friends attended SP role interview, but since she couldn't code well and had mentioned machine learning in her resume, and they asked her about F1 score formula, logistic, linear regression, SVM, data organizations, how to shift branches in Git, merge sort, heap, data structure in her SP role interview, and unfortunately she didn't perform well and got rejection mail after 2 months. But then she got a chance to attend DSE role interview. In DSE role interview, there was no official coding round. There was a direct interview for 1 hour. The main questions asked to her are: first, they asked her to explain about her hardware projects in detail. Then they asked her to code for string compression problem that you can see on the screen. She had to write the code on paper and explain the logic. Other questions they asked her are about her family background, the latest technologies she knows, if she has any experience in cloud or AWS platform, SDLC models, waterfall, agile, etc. How to use IRCTC website, or how does that app work, front-end versus back-end versus middleware, another DSE candidate's experience. She also didn't clear SP role interview, but in the DSE interview, she asked her DSA questions like write quick sort, bubble sort, merge sort code on paper, basic Java and Python questions, and she got selected, and her training also started in Mysore campus. Overall, DSE interview focused more on understanding your thought process, project knowledge. Here's what I recommend. Prepare well for pseudocode based questions if you're preparing for SE written test. Revise all theory concepts like OOPS, SDLC, data structures, Java, Python, etc. Learn everything that you mention in your resume. Explain your projects clearly. Don't memorize, understand them. Be confident and stay calm during the interview. Also, you can learn all these topics using ChatGPT. I learned this way. I'll provide you with prompts to copy paste into ChatGPT. Make notes of each topic and practice repeatedly. I'll share the PDF with all prompts in the video description. See if it helps you too. I hope this video helps you to prepare better for Infosys SE and DSE roles. All the best. Comment if you have any other doubts. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.